What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this video in which we'll be covering the Hooked protocol and the Hooked token. We'll be doing an update. We'll talk about whether we are actually going to continue falling like this, because Hooked has been very bearish over the last over the last week or so. I think this whole move started the 10th of December, so the last 9 days we've been very bearish. Dropped down from $3 to where we are right now, around 1.5, so that's a 50% drop. Apart from that, I still think that that Hooked that the Hooked protocol is a great protocol. It's a great project. However, the bear market has been tough on it, and it was holding on very well. But it seems like the good times could not last forever, and now we're dropping. We're in a very bearish market structure, and we're going to be talking about, or one of the things we'll talk about, is whether we can actually get out of that or not. So, but as I said, Hooked protocol, long term, great project, short term, isn't looking so good. So let's get right into it. So we are going to zoom into the 1 hour time frame for this. What you can see is that Hooked protocol was definitely not unaffected by last Friday. Last Friday was a very bearish day throughout the entire crypto market. And for Hooked, what that caused was a bearish breakout through the support level that was holding us, which was technically, I always said around 1.75, but more specifically, it was between 1.67 and 1.75. That was quite a strong support level, but the fundamentals were stronger and the fundamentals were bearish. So we dropped down, found some support around 1.55. But after that, and this wasn't unexpected, this is, we talked about this earlier as well while covering Hooked protocol. The next support level really was, Hooked protocol is reacting very well to the 0.25 increments, right? So to 1.75, $2, 1.5. So this was the support level we were waiting for, and which is where we are at right now, 1.5 and 1.45. If this breaks, we're dropping all the way down to 1.3 and 1.25. Now, is that likely to happen? I would argue yes. What you can see if you zoom out ever since the last 9 days, as I said, but also definitely starting like Monday the 12th, we've just been in a downtrend, and you can not really place a nice trend line or anything, but what you can see is that these EMAs, so the blue, red, silver, and gold line, have been weighing on top of us, and at some points we've actually managed to break above the smaller ones. Also, when we had some more bullish momentum, like for example right here, we had some more bullish momentum due to a lower than expected inflation rate. However, we have never really broken above it and confirmed it, especially not the 100 EMA. So what's happening right now is we're still respecting the 28 and the 50 EMA. So what I think is going to happen is that we will find some more support around 1.5 and 1.45, but that in the next few days, that bearish momentum is just going to weigh us down, and we'll get a bearish breakout through 1.45, after which we will start dropping towards 1.3 and 1.25. And then you'll have the same problem. You'll have the same strong downtrend on top of you, and you have to get some sort of a bullish breakout. And with that, the only way in which Hooked could actually stay on top of 1.5 and that we will prevent this bearish breakout, the only way in which we can do that is by breaking above all of those resistance levels. So I would argue we would need to at least get towards 1.7 again, which is going to be very difficult. If we can do that, then I do think that we can hold 1.5, because then we know that 1.5 is strong and that there's bullish momentum coming from that level, and just in general that there's bullish momentum in Hook. But it doesn't seem like that's happening, right? So sure, if we can get to 1.7, then I think we can consolidate instead of drop down further. But the chances of that compared to the chances of something like this happening are just, it's not a fair game, to be honest. So yeah, that's my take on Hooked protocol for now. If you do have any questions, as always, let me know down in the comments. But for now, enjoy your Monday, take care, and bye.